rabbit wall. Okay? Para lang siya topic. So, imbis na rock, paper, scissors, archer, rabbit wall. How do we do archer, guys? Archer, rabbit. And then wall extend. Kailangan diretso po. The archer can kill the rabbit. The rabbit can kill the wall kasi tatalunan lang niya. Tapos yung wall can kill the archer kasi di naman siya tatablan. Okay? So, you have your team leaders with you. Ang mangyayari po niyan, ang magkaharap ulit kayo, ganito po. About face kayo, kunwari naka-about face kayo. Magsasalita po ako ng archer, rabbit wall, archer, rabbit wall, archer, rabbit wall. Pag narinig niyo po yung word na go, you will face each other doing your own side. Dapat pare-parehas kayo. Pag may nagkamali isa, i-award natin yung point sa kalaban. So, pag napili niyo archer, dapat lahat kayo naka-archer. One line. Kung napili niyo yung rabbit, same thing. Or wall. Dapat pare-parehas kayo. For example, guys. Kel, Rick. Lahat po. So, you have to pass the communication to your group. Okay? So, archer, rabbit wall, archer, rabbit wall. Kunyari magkatalikod. Kunyari marami yung grupo na yan. Marami rin to. Archer, rabbit wall, archer, rabbit wall. Archer, rabbit wall, archer, rabbit wall. Wall, archer, rabbit wall, archer, rabbit. Archer, rabbit wall, archer, rabbit wall. Go! So, sino panalo? Archer. Panalo si Archer, pinala niya si Rabbit. Pero, sa whole group na yan, kailangan pare-parehas kayo. Pag may nagkamaling isa, award natin yung point sa kalaban. First to make 3 points.